Hey guys, I got a Maxtra scooter here, and I was doing some troubleshooting because we had some loose wires and stuff on it. This is a used unit we purchased, replaced one battery, and it was working fine, and then it just stopped working here the day after Christmas. And so I was doing some troubleshooting and some things I noticed. So there's a little reset button there. It was missing a nut, and it was crammed back up inside of it. But that wasn't our issue. So I just put some hot glue around the outside of that, and it turns out our other issue was there's a sensor here on this brake, and so when you pull it, it turns the motor off. And so this brake sensor had a nut. It was broke, and it was crammed inside, I believe it was, causing the thing not to run. And I troubleshooted for about an hour, finally figured out that there was a sensor here. And so you can't see it, but it's back up in there. And so I pulled it back out into position, put some hot glue around it, and that ended up solving my issue. The batteries, this is 24 units, so it's got two small 12 volt batteries underneath the plastic here. And just maybe if anybody's having issues, just be aware that there is a sensor here. I don't think there's a sensor over here, and there is that unit there, so check that out if you have any issues.